This is stage 2, lecture 4.02, slide 44. When tin is treated with corn nitric acid, choice A is converted to stannous nitrate, choice B is converted to stannic nitrate, then choice C is converted to metastannic acid, choice 4 becomes passive. Now we are going to see this question with a specific reaction. So when tin reacts with corn nitric acid, then we'll get metastannic acid with the liberation of NO2 and H2O. So you can balance this reaction by oxidation number method. Therefore, we get metastannic acid. So this is a very important reaction, the action of tin metal with respect to nitric acid.